Hello, this is Dr. Young. I'm going to go over your Week 5 work rather quickly. For your Week 5 discussion, you are basically going to do research on Google and McDonald's on their organizational structure, and you're going to compare them. That's what you're doing for the discussion. So make sure that you do that in detail on the discussion board and post 2 detailed responses to your classmates, or 1 to me and 1 to a classmate. But 2 or 3 sentences is not a detailed response. I want 2 responses only, and I want them to be as detailed as you could, I want them to be at least a paragraph. It's quality over quantity, and please make sure to proofread your work. I'm seeing way too many errors, writing errors in the class so far. This is college level writing. It should reflect that, and you should have a very good command of the English language. So if you're taking online courses in English, so just make sure that you're being careful to your punctuation, grammar, capitalization, those things. I'm looking at that because it's important to write properly. So individual work, I'm going to move on to that. That is another template document. In other words, the little sheet you've been filling out for your individual work so far. It's another one. And this one, you're going to give me 3 components of a business plan. This assignment gives you a website, the Small Business Association government site. Hold on, let me just move this down. I'm a little... on the mouse thingy. Here we go. Sorry about that. Okay, here it is. So think about the business that you talked about at the beginning of, the kind that you'd like to own. Go to this site. There are several components of a business plan. You're choosing 3 that you feel that would be most important for your business and why. When you go to that site, it's going to give you more information about each component. I want you to read it carefully, and then I want you to talk about why, pick the 3 components and tell me why they're important for your business. If you're going to use the SBA website, you can, you're able to use that. Make sure you list it as a reference. It's very important to do that. Actually, the part you write in is down here. So that's what you're submitting. Those are your assignments for week 5. Just a note, what I'm seeing, I need to see more detailed answers, responses on your discussion post, and please proofread your work more carefully, because those are the issues that I'm noticing is just not enough information, quite frankly. This class is a first-year class, but it does require you to do some research and look for some information. And I want to know what you have to say about these things. Some students have really submitted some very detailed assignments, and I appreciate that. I want you to be able to talk about your business. You need to think like an entrepreneur. You need to think through these things and how to start, the process of starting a business. And, I want to see, if you're getting feedback that's, responses are too short, answers not, you're not telling me enough information. You're not answering the questions thoroughly. I'm getting a lot of vague things that aren't specific. A business plan is very specific, for example, and you're going to be telling me why that applies to your business. I need to see a cause and effect relationship. I need to see critical thinking. So I just want to put that out there. So try to be more detailed if you can, if you're getting that feedback. Because some of you are doing some of you are doing very well, though. But overall, there's a lot of work that needs to be done. So any questions or concerns, let me know. Email me, call me, text me, and I'll be happy to assist you. So let's have a great week, and I look forward to seeing the discussion post this week.